Here are some universal best practices for all stethoscope exams. Before starting an auscultation exam, ensure you are in a quiet and comfortable environment, free from ambient noise and other people. Background speech, conversations, or noise from a TV or speakers is not acceptable. Both the patient and the operator must remain silent throughout the exam. Conversations are not permitted at any time. For the best sound quality, always place the stethoscope directly on bare skin. If this is not possible, you may place it over a single thin layer of clothing, such as thermal or sports underwear. When examining women, ensure the stethoscope does not press against the bra. Thicker clothing or multiple layers is not allowed. Before starting the auscultation, make sure you hold the device properly and comfortably. Avoid squeezing too hard or applying excessive pressure,